Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be talking about key presses, or capturing keyboard and mouse button input from the player so that you can do something inside your level editor and or game. So real quick, we're just going to show you an example here. So when you are running around inside your level and you're playing it and doing whatever you need to do, if you want to press a button and have something pop up as a kind of like debugging to tell yourself, yes, this code is actually working, you can put the code on the player, the first-person controller, and when you press the button, it will do something. So in this case, we have it set to the E button. So when I'm in the game here and I press E, you can see down here that it says, the E button has been pressed. Okay? So as simple as that, what exactly can we do and how do we make it? So first off, you would right-click in the project editor and you would create a new C# script. We already have it here. It's called Key, and we're using Unity 4.3, and we are using C# inside of Mono Developed. So you can see real quick, we just have a key.c# file, and in the update function, which it updates once every frame. So if you're doing 30 frames a second, it does 30 times a second. And we just have a single if statement that's constantly being asked in the update function. Is there any input from the player in the form of a key button being pressed down? And if so, is the key code the letter E? Was the key being pressed down the letter E? If it was, then do something, okay? And in this case, we're just printing to the console window, the E key has been pressed. So if you don't like the word print, you can also do debug.log, and in there you can print something else. This is the second message, okay? And we save that. So again, you just have your C# code that says if the input in the form of key down, input.getKeyDown, is the key code of E, keycode.E, then do something inside your code. Okay, so again, we're going to come over here and we're going to play the file, and we're running around in our level, we're doing our thing. When we press the E key, the messages pop up. So let's take a look and make sure they both came up. So we have the E key has been pressed with the print, and we have this is the second message from the debug log. Okay, so we have both of those there, and it proves to us that our code for the input of the E key is working. Now, if you want to do more than just one key, you can go to docs.unity3d.com/documentation/script reference/keycode.html, and it will just to show you what it looks like here. When you go to the script references, you want to make sure that you're in C#, and you can see that we have all these different things we can reference. So we could say, keycode.backspace, keycode.joystick button 1, keycode mouse button 1, things like that. If you want to use the keypad, the space bar, the up, down, left, right arrows, the F keys, all of these things are hash keys, dollar signs, asterisks, whatever it may be, capital letters, lowercase, all these things, the joystick buttons, it's all there for you to reference. And then it's just a matter of you figuring out how you want to use the input on the key down. Okay. At the same time, we could do the key up. So instead of key down, let's say when the E key is up, we're going to say something different. Let's say here, I just copy pasted the code. So when the key is down, we're going to say the E key has been pressed. And when the key's up, we're going to say the E key has been released. Okay, we save our file. Our console window is clear, so we're going to push play. We're running around in our level. I press E, I release E. Okay, and then we come back, and it says it has been pressed, it has been released. So again, not console commands, but input commands from the editor, from the player, on key down and key up are the easiest way to get information from the player to the avatar in game, or to just see the debugging code.